It is unseasonably warm today, so I'm probably going to be probably going to be a sweaty mess. But I need to take care of my yard. I'm going to spare you yet another yard work video. When I'm finished, I'm going to go in and we're going to do Nancy's cards. Well, that's good enough for now. It's Nancy's Christmas card time! I'm Nancy's little elf today. I'm going to be addressing all of the cards. This is one video that she always asks to do. She loves to do her Christmas cards. Let's show you what we have. So she has this adorable snowman card. And guess what? That one is for who?
That's it.
Patrick Mahomes! Alright, so she's also got these cute stickers. Little faces and little Santa Clauses. And we're going to start off and we're going to do Patrick's first.
Okay.
You excited?
Yeah.
All right.
T.
M. A. S. These are what you want?
Yeah.
Which ones?
Yeah. That one, that one, that one, and that one, and that one.
Okay. All right, there it is, all done. This is what we're looking at. A pretty tree.
That's an M.
No, it's an M. You're fine. You did great.
That's cute.
What were you singing? What were you just singing?
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
Do it again.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus down that lane.
Nancy, what do you think I want for Christmas?
She wants, what do you call them things? The nut things?
Pistachios?
Pistachios and,
Is that all I want? I want pistachios. What does Karen want for Christmas?
she'll get slippers.
Oh, you think Karen wants slippers for Christmas? What do you think Charlie wants for Christmas?
Some bones.
She wants bones?
Yeah.
How about the cats? What do they want for Christmas?
Mouse.
You think they want a mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think you want for Christmas?
I want a Patrick shirt that has pictures of them and jammies with it and stuff.
No, you want a lot, don't you?
Yeah. Stephanie from Nancy.
So, Stephanie from Chateau Diaries, Nancy wants to send you a Christmas card. Show it to her. What are you going to send her? There we go. Sending her this cute snowman card. What do you say when you hear Stephanie?
I hear her laughing.
She hears Stephanie laugh on TV and she goes, "Is that Stephanie?" Careful with it, don't rip it. Let me see it. We have 10 more cards left. Whew! Just 10 more.
Oh my.
I say this every year, but man, I'm worn out. There's so many cards.
Yeah,
It's alright, just use it. Alright guys, Nancy's filling out her last Christmas card. That's it for today. We'll see you sometime tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Get my Christmas card.
Are you excited?
Yes.
All right. All right, look at me. What are you doing?
I'm gonna mail my cards.
All right, look at me. What'd you do?
I mailed them.